Welcome, namaste, assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to another video. So finally guys, we have the Horizon Forbidden West for PS5. Waiting after 5 years, it's in my hands now. Alright, so let's get into our unboxing. In the front you can see the cover art of this game. It looks absolutely amazing guys. And here we have the PlayStation seal as well. I hope you guys can see that. And behind we have the slogans of the game: rise above ruin, one player, Ultra HD Blu-ray, MRP, and blah blah blah. Okay, now let's unwrap it. There you go guys. So it's 98 GB. That's huge. Let's open the disc. Here we have some manual as well guys, and inside we can see the map of the game. I think this map is going to be very large compared to the first game. The disc looks gorgeous guys, just look at it. Let's take it out. Shiny as new. Here you can see the closer look at the map. Let's put it back. And we got some free goodies as well guys. Let's see what inside. Some cool stickers from the game. Since I pre-ordered it, I got this. I hope you all got them too. Let's put them back. Okay, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys soon in my next one, which is obviously gameplay. So stay tuned. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, eat healthy and avoid accidents.